Hi guys, it's me here, Zoe Charles, the unique entity, and today I'm going to be doing an Elsa tutorial that I have on my wig cap, and I'm going to take some primer and just put it on my face. I have to warm it up, do just a little bit. Little bit goes a long way, especially with makeup. Now, after you have it on your face, put on a foundation. I used a lighter one. Have in your hand wet your sponge and put it on your face. Make sure you really blend it out. Now we're going to take some white body paint. Now don't put it too much. When you put it on, it's going to look like a lot. This is going to look really thick. But after you spread it around and make sure it's really sheer, it gets very natural-ish looking for pale skin. Now we're going to take our concealer. Don't put it everywhere on your cheek. And make sure you keep it just under your eyes. Common mistake. After you blend it, it goes onto your cheek a little bit and fades out better instead of being all right there at once. We are going to take our bronzer, or any kind of whatever you use to contour with, and we are going to contour our cheekbones. We're going to do the whole face. Now, after everything's contoured, we did our nose too. We did under our eyes for hollow eyes that are twinkles. We did our chin and here Cupid's bow and the jaw. We are going to go back again. And do our blush. Now put this on the apples of the cheeks. I prefer to smoke it out, not really smoke, but take the excess and put it on my cheekbones like this. It gives a more contoured kind of vibe going on. And this is optional. Just depends on your look and what you want to do with this. I also like to put it on my nose, my chin, and a little bit between my eyebrows. Normally, we would not use this fluffy brush, but we don't play by the rules. Now, we are going to take this. Ironically, this is a villain, even though we're doing a Disney princess. So, we are going to put it everywhere. Now, the reason why we are actually using a fresh fluffy brush and not anything else, like our finger or a angled, or a smaller fluffy brush, is because we want the glitter everywhere. We are an ice queen. We want to look sparkly. Put the highlighter on like you usually would, and now we were going to do our brows. I'm using the Naked 2 palette. I use powder. Eyeshadow or anything that you do is fine as long as you fill in your brows in brown. Now make sure you brush it out so that it doesn't look too cartoony. And we're going to go in under our eyes with our, it's more like a stick for eyelining. And we're using our James Charles palette. Now, he's not a sponsor, but if you go to their website and use code JAMES for 10% off, you'll be satisfied. I love this palette. And I love James Charles. Love you, sister. Now we are going to take this pinky magenta color, and we're going to make a dome shape. Her eyes are a dome shape. And we're going to eventually blend it out. I know on this camera, I mean, it's my phone, heck, I don't have an expensive camera yet, but we're going to put this a dome shape again on the other eye. It's going to look a little more darker than it does in person. We're going to pick a darker purple, the inner and the outer corners only. keep this. Don't put anything over it. We're going to put the shimmer and the shine over it. We're going to use this and put this in the center. Blend it out with your big brush. Let's do our eyeliner. Any kind of liquid liner is best, just to really extra stand out. Now, Elsa actually doesn't have any winged eyeliner, she just has regular eyeliner, but you know us in our days, we are going to wing it out. And here is the finished look with the wig and everything. Make sure you put on that pink lipstick. Freckles are also an option. Bye guys! Hope you liked the video, and a comment down below something nice and give a big like.